Hi boys and girls, it's Matt from the Real Toy Shop. What have we got here? Well, this is an absolutely stunning Harley Davidson Road King 2020. Let's take a walk around this 8,000 mile stunning motorbike. One of the ones that's nearly tempting me off my own Harley Road King that I've had for 20 years. Come and have a look at the extras that this one's got. Come and look at the condition it's in and see if it's something that you would like. So those of you who are coming back again, thank you very much. Those of you who are stopping by for the first time, what we're doing, well, just a one-hit walk round of a bike that is for sale, and I'll tell you a bit about it as well, and see if you want it. So, as you can see, the condition of this bike is absolutely outstanding. Let's walk round the forks, the front wheels, tyres, white walls, nearly as new. Couple of little marks on the forks as you would get. Guess the mileage, drop it in the comments and let us know what you think in the comments about our Road King as well. I absolutely love them, that's why I've had mine 20 years. Don't look quite as shiny as this one. So, looking here, you've got that classic 3-light setup with the spotlights and the indicators have all got the peaks on as well. This one's got like the Willie G logo on the top there. Coming around, it's got a Memphis Shades replacement tinted screen, which really suits the bike, with the bag on the back as well to keep your stuff in. We've got engine bars. We've got highway pegs there that obviously flip out, and they're so nice to ride with. The backrest, I have that set up myself. We've got sort of a chrome belly pan thing that sort of covers the oil cooler because it's been the Milwaukee 8 engine. They go so well and sound lovely. This one's stage 1, so if you stick with us, you get to hear those pipes as well. We've got razor shocks on this one as well. Brilliant upgrade to the suspension. If you ride one, a standard bike, if you ever watch a guy called $1 Million Bogan, he used to ride Road King. He was a special, to be fair, but his only complaint he ever had about the standard Road King was the shocks, or the suspension setup, and he would always change his shocks. But this one's got razor shocks front and back. We've got Screaming Eagle air filter, and we've also got rear engine bars, rear rollover bars. We've got a Mustang seat, looks really pretty with the studs on, and also extremely comfy. And there's that backrest I was telling you about. Moving around, we've got the panniers with the leather tops on. There's a few bits and bats in these, just bits of parts and locks and stuff like that. Not necessarily with the bike, but there's a show plate there in black and silver. As well, plenty of room for your pants on a long weekend. Look at those Vance Hineses. You get to hear those in a minute and they just sound awesome. Road King for me is a bike that's kind of all things really. It rides, you can pop that screen off, it's quick release, pop it off, open air, big cruiser, take the panniers off if you like. You've got that nice look, but also it's kind of a timeless look to me. Nothing dates the bike. If you looked at the bike and you didn't know Harley Davidson, it could be 50s, it could be 70s, it could be 80s, who would know? Because there's no digitalness going on apart from the mileometer, but that's it. So here we've got the chrome cover on the top of the light there. We've got the indicator peaks going on there as well. Those leather bags, I'm sure I just mentioned those. That number plate is with the bike, featuring Harley Davidson. Come around, you've got the chrome footboard covers on the back. The passenger, we've got in here, we've got the connection for the battery charger. Down here, we've just got the front shifter. I know a lot of people don't like the heel and toes. This one's just got the front one. And, of course, you can add the heel if you wanted to. Now, I always tell you with a Harley, when you're looking at a used Harley, there's a few things that give away a few things. And while you're guessing the mileage, look at these fins. Look at those fins. Those fins, it's virtually impossible to replicate that finish should you lose it through tarnishing or weathering or whatever. You'll lose that. We've got the leather tank bib there to stop you scratching the tank. And then coming up, We've got fancy, they're not levers, them, grips, yeah, lost me words then. And we've got the trick mirrors as well, the Harley Davidson signature and the billet stems. Sorry about the light in the background there you go. And coming around, you've got sort of the blind spot section there. In here, you can put your sunglasses, your keys, and that's what we've done. We've dropped our keys in the top there, look. Both sets, by the way. The bike's got service history with Harley Davidson. That black and chrome, for me, I love a bit of colour in my life, but I just love black and chrome. Especially Harley Davidsons. They just look so classy. Like I say, if you were walking up to that and you weren't an aficionado of all the different knobs and buttons and screws and dials, you wouldn't know if that was 1957, 2007, 1997 or 2020, which it is. You've got the wind deflectors on the bottom there, ready to deflect some wind, and we've got the bar and shield petrol cap there. That's your steering lock, and then your button down there for your spotlights. So we're getting the condition. It's pretty darn good, eh? I hope so. 6-speed box. And again, having a look round, fins on this side, everything else, just stunning. Footboards, and again, these footboards isolate your feet so you lose the vibrations. Not that there is many. 2009, they changed the chassis setup of a Road King, which makes the bike handle a lot better, and you're all on rubber mounts and you lose a lot of vibration. So the things are ace. When you're at idle, the touring bikes, someone once told me, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, that the crank and the positioning is slightly different on the Tourers to the others, so that when you are idle, you'll feel more of the shudder. Looks cool, and then when you get going, it smooths out, whereas some of the other models, when you're idle, it's different, and as you get going, you feel the vibrations. I don't know. Someone tell me in the comments if that's true or not, because I'd be interested to know as well. So I'm just repeating the information, really. Again, classic bar and shield logo on there. What else can I tell you? Well, what can we do for you on the bike? Well, normal sort of dealer stuff. We can, of course, take a part exchange. If you want to visit the website, therealtoyshop.com or .co.uk, take a look on there and you will see a part exchange form. And on that part exchange form will be a few questions. And if you fill them in, then I can get you a price on your bike. Need all the info in there, so it's no good at bringing us cold or just off spec. Just doesn't work. Need that info. So that's the Part X. If you need some monthly payments, give the office a call. The number is on the website, and we can hook you up. A couple of finance partners. So we'll do our best. And if, of course, you're successful, we'll put you through and you can have a bike. And lastly, delivery. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered our bikes for nothing. Come and see us, see the bike, make sure you're happy if you like, if that's what you want to do. We're not going to stop you. And we'd love to see you, actually. And then if you like the bike, we'll deliver it another day. Dead easy. If you want it purely off this video and the description that you'll see also on the website, therealtoyshop.co.uk, then that's cool too. Do use this video as a guide to how your bike's going to turn up. If you go on our website again, you'll see time frames and terms and conditions and all that good stuff. And it takes you a moment of your time just to read that, and then it saves asking Lisa loads of questions as well. So next thing, it'll be my happy smiling face who brings it in the van. So give us a bib if you see the Real Toy Shop van out and about, and hope I don't give you the finger back. I promise it's because I thought you was bibbing me for no reason. But next thing, you want to hear those Vance Hineses, don't you? You want to hear that motor thump. Well, I don't blame you. So if for any reason you need to get permission off anyone, your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, whoever, get that first before you give us a call. So, ask your missus first. Yes, you know it. Regular visitors know this. And often people will give us a call and they say, I've asked my missus, I promise. There's your view. Look at that. There's me looking in them mirrors. Ooh, looking rough today. Right, noisy. Noise time. Did you guess the mileage? Probably not. There you go. 8,012 miles. Matt, the engine light's on, the ABS light's on. Yes, we know. ABS, 5 mile an hour, or 5 revolutions to the wheel. Engine light once we're started. So, being keyless, keys are in there. We're set to run. We've turned her on. Let's press the go button. Does that sound nice? Took the liberty of warming her up a little. Oh yes. Once more for the kiddies. Listen to that all day. As I say, it really truly is the first bike in a long while that's made me feel like coming off my own bike onto this. Now, if I kept everything, I'd be in a bit of a mess, to be quite honest, so we try not to. But if you want this in your shed, do it before I change my mind. But so number one, get your part exchange form in, get that into us straight away, and then I can have a look at your bike when I get half a moment. Number two, if you need some monthlies, please speak to one of us in the office and we'll get you that sorted out. And number three, yeah, let's just get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. We can't really say any fairer than that. Dead simple, isn't it? Just remember though, ask your missus first, and if you've seen anything you like, you know what to do. Loads more videos on the website, have a look, see if there's anything else you like. You might just listen to my sound of my voice droning on telling you about a bike, but they're there. And YouTube thinks you might like that one. It think that bike over here thinks you might like it, and it thinks you might like this playlist, and I think you should smash that button. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here.